Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use VirtualBox. Okay, let's jump into the point. Open your VirtualBox and select a new to create new virtual machine. Input the name for your virtual machine. You can select type of your virtual machine. There is many platforms you can use like Linux, Windows, Solaris, BSD, and the other platform. On the machine folder, you can select where you want to put your virtual machine files. Put memory that you want to use on this virtual machine. I set it to 4 GB, then click next to continue the process. Create new hard disk for your virtual machine. You can add the disk later by choosing do not add a virtual disk, or you can use an existing virtual disk file if you already have a virtual machine disk. And then choose create a virtual hard disk now to create new virtual hard disk. Choose VDI for the hard disk file type, input your virtual hard disk size, and click create to create virtual machine. You can edit the configuration file if you want. I will show you how to edit configuration. I will change a virtual CPU for 1 to 2 CPU. Click on General or System, and then choose System and choose System and increase your CPU virtual machine. Click OK to continue. Power on your virtual machine. When the virtual machine turns on for the first time, they will ask you for a CD drive. I have preferred Linux Mint ISO, so I will direct the CD drive to the Linux Mint ISO file. Start for the process. So there is first boot. For ISO file, there is any editor that you can choose. In this video, I just show you how to use VirtualBox. So I will choose to start Linux Mint on Live CD. You can also install the Linux Mint by choosing install Linux Mint on the startup menu. Here we are, you can try this Linux Mint in the Live CD. You can explore the system. You can see the icon on the desktop. There is install Linux Mint, so you can choose this icon and install your Linux Mint into virtual machine. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you again in next video. Please subscribe to help my channel improve. Thank you.